Hey everybody, we are here with a very hard worker. He is working construction downtown on Center Point, which we're very excited about that. Side note, he's actually dealing and has been dealing with an athlete's foot infection. So it's very important to clean and make sure it's very dry in between the toes, because what's happened, if you want to kind of take a peek closer, is the athlete's foot caused a crack from maceration, which maceration typically looks white. That where the skin cracked, he got a bacterial infection. So as you can see, this is very, very painful for him. So what we're going to do is drain out just as much as we can and focus on getting the infection out. So enjoy. Okay. Again, it's just like if you have a blister, it's like popping a blister.
I tried popping that myself, and let me tell you.
Okay. Feeling anything? Pressure's okay. Remember that?
Yeah.
Just think about how much better you're gonna feel. How we doing?
Good so far.
So far, so good? Well, I think you're more numb than you thought you were. Okay.
So working construction, this is definitely something that is a danger. Is that correct, Dr. Cruz?
Absolutely. So important.
Yeah, 'cause
I know. What I'm doing is I'm just milking it
I
out,
literally
okay?
carry extra socks every day.
You carry extra socks. That's
I do.
smart. Also, making sure your feet, like, you
I
know.
change them at least once a day, because when you're walking around out there, your feet sweat real bad, especially wearing boots, because you have to wear boots on site. So I change my socks once a day.
That's the best advice that you can give, isn't it, Dr. Cruz? You say
Mhm.
that all the time.
Absolutely.
I actually have my extra pair in my pocket, of my jacket there.
And the thing is, you know, with athlete's foot, a lot of people, you know, don't think it's anything major, but, you know, it can get to like this. You doing okay, bud?
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
It's tolerable right now.
Good. Like I told you before, this is going to be really raw. Did you get the, you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get the tissue forceps?
So I bought those. Do you want like tissue nippers?
No. It's all right.
What
Just
you
keep
want
your
then?
glove. You're fine. I'll show you what it is.
Okay.
Okay. So what happens is if we do not drain this infectious fluid out, this will continue to travel up into the body and can become a systemic infection. Systemic infection is, okay, nausea, vomiting, fever, chills, diarrhea, things like that. This gentleman has suffered from a little nausea yesterday, but he had a really bad headache. So we're not sure how much of that is from the headache. And but he did have lack of appetite, so we know that this is definitely more. How you doing?
Still good.
Looking right in
I can
here.
definitely feel a lot of pressure.
Okay. All right. You're definitely not going back to work here until this is healed. A lot of it is out, which is good because now we're just starting to see normal color of blood. And our construction is still going on for all of our viewers. We're getting close. Okay.
Yeah, they're gonna miss me down there.
They are. All right, so you can see easily how all the skin was continuing to macerate. You're okay.
I probably should have needed that.
You're fine, you're fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, doing good. All right, good. All right, let's just go ahead and get this cleaned up and then we'll get you wrapped up. Athlete's foot infection, please don't let it go this long because of course he got a really bad bacterial infection and that led to an abscess. So better be safe than sorry. If you're concerned you have athlete's foot infection, just call us, come in, we'll take a quick peek and make sure you don't end up like this poor gentleman. All right, see you soon.